How to put a border around text in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a simple left and right borders into your Google site text with just some easy steps. We're going to head over the Google Sites by heading over sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and from here we're going basically to have all of the sites that we have created. So we are going to select one of the website that we want to apply the left and right borders to, and here we have it. So this is the website. What I'm going to do basically in here is to add a text box. Choose the placement where I want to add my text box, and then I can go ahead and select the title, for example, as a heading, and also the font. And do not forget the size of it. So I'm going to put here a 24 bold font. So we're going to start by have an example, for example, sample like that. We're going to put it to the middle, boom, and here you have it. Now for the borders, it is going to be crucial that you know that we cannot basically add some borders to the text. It is going to be automatically spaced out. As you can see, we have some paddings to the left, to the right, and also to the center, or upper or above and below. But you can go ahead and add some left and right borders by having the alt control or the alt pressed and also clicked with the number 6 of the keyboard. You're going to find here a border, and also here we are going to create a border. So simple, we are going to have here example of the border, for example, something like that. And here, as you can see, I have created a border for the specific text. Or you can go ahead and have it as, let's say here, a little bit of active or specified. So we are going to put this text to the middle like that. I'm going to have this text to the middle. I'm going to add another text box and put it as a heading, and have the same or a little bit bigger of a text in here. So I'm going to have it right there. Put this to the left and add another one and put it to the right, just like that. Make it like this, put it to the right, and boom. Now we can go ahead and have either the same process by having this here and there, or you can go ahead and have this to the left side just like that. And here we have some, we added some borders to the left and the right of the text. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.